we know that it can be really tedious to delete hundreds of products one by one. Also, if we apply a bulk action to move all our products to the trash, our server may try to delete them all at once, which will overload it, or you may get a 500 error, among other things. To help you with this, we want to show you how to delete hundreds of products using the easy digital download spreadsheet. This tool allows you to apply changes to thousands of products in just a few seconds. You can edit your products in an intuitive spreadsheet, and a great thing about the plugin is that it applies the bulk changes in batches, so you don't overload your server, and so you don't get any 500 errors. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Before we delete our downloadable products, let's see how to filter them using the search tool. Once the tool is open, you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll look for all downloadable products that contain the keyword fashion. So we'll enter the word fashion here and run the search. After we have filtered the products, let's delete the results in bulk. To do so, let's open the bulk edit tool. Then, select to edit the rows from our current search. Enter the field status. Then select to set the value. In this field, choose delete completely. And execute. As you can see, all the filtered products have been deleted from your site and database. As you saw, deleting hundreds of products doesn't have to overload your server nor take you lots of hours. You can delete them in seconds from the easy digital download spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find the link to download the plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.